See, my observation is in mind that was there. I'm doing right. I'm doing right. I'm doing right. Always there.
No, that
I'm
should not be
comparing
there.
the while talking only. That is running in mind back and last time
Hmm.
what I did that presentation and this presentation it's similar. It is I'm doing better or that is back and running in my
That
mind.
is holding. That is the
Ah,
running behind your background in the
yes,
background of the mind.
yes. This is my observation.
See, I'll tell you one thing. Once you go on the stage, the first thing you should have is that if I hold the stage, I own the stage. And if I own the stage, I'm the king. And if I'm the king, I'll speak all what I want. I don't care about the knowledge, I don't care about the informations. I'm just teaching my mind once I'm holding the stage. Although I have taken time to prepare myself, to plan myself, to do the rehearsal, but once I'm here, I let my mind to be free by telling it that man, you are the king. I'll speak, and then everyone has to listen, good or bad. That's a different thing. That's the end of the story. But as long as I am here on the stage, I hold the stage, I own the stage. And if I own the stage, I'm the king. And if I'm the king, I'll speak. Fine? So, whenever you people are giving the presentation, right, you go here confidently, take the time, look at everyone. And then the first instance, the first thing you should do is that you should blast to over, like you can say, if you people have the confidence at 50, I should raise till 60. If you had at 90, I should do it at 100. Hi everyone, good morning. Hope you all are doing good today. The weather is good outside. So how was the day today? That should be the level. You should blast. Okay. So there are so many nitty and gritty that we all have to learn when we are going to do the public presentation. Right? It is not about speaking. See, we have got a human mouth. We learn so many things. We hold so many things in mind. Fine. Next time when you people go ahead and do the presentation, ask how much time do we have? Is it 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Okay.
You skipped the timing? Don't do that. Make your audience aware that I am going to deliver my speech, or don't use speech. Speech is a obsolete term. I'm going to give my presentation on screen time for 2 minutes. Now people will have their proper attention. You're educating them, right? So educate them how much time you have, what's your topic, and then follow the speech structure. Starting from humorous line, using some bait line, some code, then jumping onto the body part, then talking point by point in the form of bullet points or in the aspect wise technological point of view, ecological
चीजें
point
तो
of view,
डेली कर लो,
environmental point of view,
फिक्स कर लो अभी
international
के
point
टाइम
of
में
view.
कुछ हो. देखो एम्ब्रिटिश जो जैसा चल रहा है वो चलेगा स्मूथली.
ठीक है. Okay, so environmental point of view, ecological point of view, then again I have international affairs based point of view, then again have social point of view, so many point of view. Generally, these aspects are covered by the UPSC students, those who become IAS, IPS, and all, right? They cover. They have their GS paper, so they cover like this because they can, then it becomes a complete world when it comes to social issue, right? A social point of view. So that's how you cover. Fine. So if you have less time, right? So you speak point over point. If you have more time, you cover aspects. That's how you give the presentation. So you make clear things to to yourself first, but you do it. You make everything clear to yourself first. Speech structure, you're going to speak like point by point or aspect wise. Okay, every clarity should be here. Just because we have got a mouth, we got a stage and we should start speaking. No, do not do that, please.
Agreed.
Right? Next thing is that educate your audience. How much time you have? Fine. right? You don't owe them. They owe, they owe you. If I'm not wrong, fine. They are here to give their time, attention. They are sacrificing their 1 hour, let's say even 5 minutes, to listen to you. So it's your duty, right? So how we do that? So again, there are 3 stages: expectation, perception, delivery. They all are here to have some expectations from you. Fine.
Definitely.
How you're going to make the things happen that they will perceive it? Fine. And then you give the delivery. Again, for this, you work on the human psychology. Human psychology says that interact to engage, fine, or while entertaining, and then once they will have the mutual participation, then you deliver. Then it's a win-win situation, right? Just because you can speak something and then, hey, how was my delivery, how was my speech, and going to ask from the feedback. Why? People should come to you. Hey, wow, what a speech you had, what a delivery you had, what a presentation you had. Every single line was like,